Hello, my name's Melissa Elstock. I chose to use the Target Cartwheel campaign for my ad makeover. I currently use this discount shopping app. I found the ad appealing, yet simple enough for me to tackle with my budding Adobe skills. I would like to apologize in advance for any sniffling or sneezing you may hear. I live in the Texas Hill Country and the cedar count is very high right now. The original ad visually shows the Cartwheel logo to the left of a red arrow that points to the Target logo. With the wording below, we understand that the Cartwheel Discount Shopping app will now be housed within the Target main app. Original analysis. In the color analysis of the original app, we find the color scheme is predominantly red, white, and black, with the tiniest bits of aqua and gray toward the bottom of the ad. You will notice that the logo colors are reversed between the cart and the logo. Additionally, the color of the cart matches the arrow and the Target bullseye. The alignment of the original ad is strongly centered, even to the point of a small, thin aqua line running up from the bottom. You may also notice how the two black boxes on the left are balanced with the aqua box on the right. The fonts in the original ad appear to be the same simple sans serif font. This excludes the fonts in the Google Play and Apple App Store boxes. Now for the new ad analysis. For my new ad, I kept the same concept of the Cartwheel app now being inside the Target app. You first may notice is the word flip with an exclamation point. It's a word with a connotation of surprise. Under the word is the Target logo with little cartwheel carts encircling the bullseye. You may notice the little carts are doing a full cartwheel or flipping around the bullseye. This new design is hopefully unique and eye-catching. The new color scheme is still predominantly red, white, and black with a little gray. The logo colors remain reversed between the cart and the Target logo. The boxes used to click through to get to the app remain the same as in the original. I mimicked the original sans serif font used by ABZ in both the standard and italicized version. The alignment is still strongly centered with the addition of the tiny carts being equidistant around the bullseye of the Target. The nondescript click-through buttons are now located in the bottom right-hand corner. Overall, I feel I used clever imagery to capture the essence of the campaign announcing a new change to the Cartwheel app. In conclusion, I'd like to thank all of you who gave me the much-needed advice and confidence to hopefully pass this class and continue my visual design journey.